Module 5.2 on Common Teaching Approaches, specifically learner-centered approaches. A learner-centered approach is an instructional approach that prioritizes the needs, abilities, and interests of individual learners. This approach recognizes that learners have different learning styles, preferences, and abilities, and seeks to create a learning environment that supports and accommodates these differences. Overall, learner-centered approaches prioritize the learner and create an environment that fosters curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, and a love of learning. Using discussion as a teaching tool can be an effective way to engage students in the learning process and encourage critical thinking. Overall, using discussion as a teaching tool can help students develop communication skills, critical thinking, and collaboration skills, and enhance their learning experience. Inquiry-based learning encourages learners to ask questions, investigate problems, and explore topics in a self-directed manner. In the context of fisheries and aquaculture, this approach can be very effective in promoting critical thinking, problem-solving, and scientific literacy. Project-based learning emphasizes student-centered and hands-on learning, where students actively engage in real-world projects such as construction of a fish pond, to develop their knowledge, skills, and understanding of a particular subject. The flipped classroom approach involves students learning new concepts outside of the classroom, through videos, readings, or other materials, and then using class time for hands-on activities, discussions, and problem-solving. Collaborative learning enhances learning outcomes and promote knowledge sharing and exchange. It includes group projects, peer teaching, field trips, collaborative research, online learning communities such as Community of Practice. Overall, collaborative learning can be a valuable tool in fisheries and aquaculture education and training, as it promotes active engagement, peer-to-peer learning, and the exchange of ideas and expertise. Students' practice or industrial attachment can provide hands-on training and practical experience in various aspects of fisheries and aquaculture. This can help prepare students for careers in the field by providing them with practical experience, professional skills, and industry knowledge. Blended learning is an effective approach to teaching and learning that combines online and offline learning activities to create a comprehensive learning experience. Blended learning can be applied to various fields, including fisheries and aquaculture. Field visits and site-based learning are crucial in fisheries and aquaculture education. Experiential learning is a powerful approach that engages learners in hands-on experiences to promote active learning, critical thinking, problem-solving, and the development of practical skills. When it comes to teaching fisheries and aquaculture, experiential learning can be an effective way to help students gain a deeper understanding of the concepts and practices involved in the field. Techniques used in this approach include hands-on activities, use of real-world scenarios, teamwork, and so on. Game-based learning is a teaching approach that uses games to facilitate learning and engagement among students. In the context of fisheries and aquaculture training, game-based learning can be an effective tool for helping learners understand complex concepts, develop problem-solving skills, and gain practical experience in a safe and controlled environment. Eclectic methods of teaching refer to an approach in which teachers use a variety of teaching techniques and strategies from different educational theories, models, and approaches, rather than sticking to a single method. This approach aims to create a flexible and adaptable learning environment that caters to the individual needs and learning styles of each student. Use of technology to facilitate learning. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn and access information. It has made learning more engaging, interactive, and accessible to students of all ages and backgrounds. Here are some of the ways technology online learning platforms provide access to a wide range of courses and educational materials. These platforms allow students to learn at their own pace and convenience from anywhere in the world. Interactive whiteboards. Interactive whiteboards are digital display screens that allow teachers to display and manipulate digital content in the classroom. This technology can make learning more engaging and interactive. This will be discussed in detail in the next module.